so warm and your cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you, and the way you look too.
Beautiful. Yan ang masasabi ko dahil yan po ang ating pambato para sa 2014 Mrs. World. Makakasama po natin ngayon ang pambato ng Pilipinas ng Mrs. World Philippines 2014 na si Mrs. Marlan Sabun Manguba. Ma'am, welcome po. Magandang umaga. So ma'am, ito po, kailan po ba yung pageant na inyong lalabanan dito sa pageant sa Maryland, USA?
It's going to be on November 19 in Maryland, USA. We will have our pre-pageant on November 16 and the final night will be on November 19.
So karaniwan po no, na tayo'y popular sa atin yung mga pageant. Pero itong Mrs. World,
Mrs.
medyo
World.
bago para sa akin. Ano? So ano po ba? Ano pong difference nito kaysa doon sa mga ordinaryong pageant?
Okay. First, this is for Mrs. For having been married and married women. And of course, they should have been legally married. Yes. And the advocacy, because the advocacy of this one is to help the married women who are less fortunate together with their kids. So that's our advocacy. So that's the difference between the Miss and the Mrs.
Pero ito po ba, yung preparation, ma'am, yung preparation nyo dito, mas mahirap po ba?
Actually, it's just all the same. I go through the training under the Kagandahang Flores, Regil Flores training camp. And I train together with the Misses, the singles. So it's very challenging because I prepare just like they prepare for their international competitions. So usually in the camp, we do the stretching, the exercises, and then the duck walk. If you have heard about that, the duck walk. Yeah, because the duck walk is very important to strengthen our legs, to give a power walk on stage. Because it's all about the performance on stage. It's all about the total package, and that is through your walk and how you present yourself.
Alam niyo, may mga naririnig ako dyan, may mga klase ng mga paglalakad ng mga beauty queens, ano? Sa isa inyo po talagang duck walk ito, hindi mayroong mga snake walk, may mga naririnig akong tornado walk. Ano po ba ito?
Actually, the duck walk is just one of the exercises to prepare us for a power walk. It's to strengthen the legs because it is very important that your legs should be very strong. Because for hours, you will be standing on stage, and if your knees are weak, then you cannot stay longer. So my walk, I can say, it's my own walk, Marlan's walk.
Marlan's walk. Alam niyo po, medyo kahabigan niya ang ating Miss Universe na si Gloria Diaz, ano? Saka talagang makikita sa beauty ni ma'am na talagang Pinay na Pinay. Ma'am, kayo po ay officer din ng Lions Club. Can you tell us more about this?
Yes, I have been a member of the Lions Club since 1995. And since then, I have been an officer up to the present. So, my advocacy is really the charity for the last 20 years. So, as Mrs. World Philippines, it's not new to me doing charity works. And in fact, I will be happy to, if God permits me to win the crown, I will be happy to all the more use my compassion to serve our less fortunate, most especially the less fortunate married women and their kids.
Ma'am, ang family niyo po ba supportive din sa mga pagsali-sali niyo sa pageant? Because alam natin na kapag kayo pumunta na ng Maryland, USA, yung time niyo medyo strict na rin, tapos yung time sa family medyo nababawasan.
Actually, before I said yes to this pageant, I asked my family, especially my husband, and he gave me his 100% support. So that makes me really strong and prepared for this competition, because if not, I would not be emotionally prepared.
Alam niyo, siguro proud na proud sa inyo, maging inyong mga anak, ang inyong husband, at iba pang mga relatives. Pero ma'am, ito pong advocacy ninyo, no? Paano niyo po ini-inspire itong mga ginang na sa mga tahanan na hindi pa pala huli para magpaganda, magpa-sexy?
Yes, actually, I myself never thought that one day I will be here joining the Mrs. World, and it's an international competition. Because at a young age, at 19, I got married, and my plan of joining the national pageant was suspended. And so I thought that was the end of it. But later on, now
Nandito ka
I'm
na
here
ngayon.
for the Mrs. World. So I would say to the Mrs. out there, just like me, not to lose your hope because there's still Mrs. World.
At bukod doon, even na hindi sumali sa mga pageant, meron pa rin tayo dapat na pag-aalaga sa sarili.
Of
Ganon.
course, yes. That's very important. We should take care of ourselves. Not because you're married, take care of yourself. Just like you take care of your family and your career and of course, your married life. That's very important.
So, okay ma'am, imbitahan po natin yung mga nanonood nating boss ngayon na manood at suportahan itong Miss World sa Maryland, USA.
Thank you. Mga kababayan ko po, I am asking for your support through your prayers to my journey to the Mrs. World on November 19 in Maryland, USA. I need your prayers. I promise you I will do my best and God will do the rest. Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Muli
Maraming
po ang
salamat.
ating pambato para sa Miss World Mrs. World 2014, si Mrs. World Philippines 2014, Marlan Sabon Mangumba. Maraming salamat, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Mr. Audrey.